you've been following me on Twitter as of recent times, you'll know I've been along the Cambrian Coast. And well, it would be kind of criminal for me to not make at least one video about something in this sort of general area. So today, we're going to go and have a ride along the Ffestiniog Railway. So, as per, well, usual at this point, I have Natt as my companionship, and, well, we're at the kind of wrong station. This is the National Rail Station, but we need to go to the Ffestiniog Railway Station, so let's do it! Now this is more like it. So here we are, Porthmadog Harbour. We are a bit early, but that's fine. We've got some lovely, brilliant sights to see. Now this train back here is all the way to Carnarvon, but we're going to Blaenau Ffestiniog, which will be on, well, this platform here. So we'll get that whenever it arrives. So here we are, we're on. Awesome, it's very, very nice. So, are you ready to go on the Ffestiniog Railway?
Let's go.
I mean, this doesn't leave for like another half an hour, but whatever. We have editing, we're fine, we can teleport to the future. 4 minutes until departure? Woohoo! And off we go, off to Blaenau Ffestiniog. Something I like here is the tables here on the trains are actually the little maps of the routes. It's really, really nice. Now, something to mention is the fact that we actually have a 20% discount on our Ffestiniog Railway tickets because we have North and Mid Wales Rovers, and you can use those to get certain discounts on Ffestiniog Railway tickets. So yeah, that gave us 20% off, so that's something to note. So we are pulling into Minforth. I'm assuming that is our first stop along this line. And we're off again. Let's keep moving. We've just gone through Penryn station, which apparently is also a request stop. So, yeah, they've even got request stops on here. It's very Welsh.
So, Nick, what do you think of the Ffestiniog Railway so far?
Well, honestly, it's pretty cool. I sort of like the heritage feel to it, and you know, the views of the wonderful Welsh Highlands. You know, you can't really get any better than that, can you?
Yeah.
So yesterday, in anticipation of coming along the railway, I went ahead and picked up one of the Ffestiniog Railway pamphlets, and apparently it says we have a 40-minute break in Blaenau Ffestiniog, so yeah, I'm looking forward to that, taking a little look around once we get there. We're at another stop, Tannybuch. Look at that. That's insane. You having a good time?
Of course.
So this lake, out of the window here, was originally a valley that the railway line ran through, but many years ago they filled in the valley, they completely flooded it to make way for an electricity plant. So there's been a new bit of track that has been, and a new tunnel that has been built along here. Alright, well, we are getting very close to Blaenau Ffestiniog now. And here we are. We've made it. Here we are now at Blaenau Ffestiniog, and the National Rail platform is over there too. I had no idea they were actually so close, but yeah, we've made it now, and we've got about half an hour left to kill here. Look at that. Mountain spirit. To my knowledge, I don't think I've actually been to Blaenau Ffestiniog before, so I mean, hey, this actually seems quite nice. Oh, look. Another train. Yay, I'm a driver. I'm going insane. I really need to not do this.
Do you want to go on the National Rail platforms?
You know what? Yes, I would, in fact. Let's do that. Look how much higher up we are compared to the Ffestiniog Railway platforms. Sheesh. I do have a slight urge to get a train from here right now, but our bags are still on the Ffestiniog Railway train, and also it's a Sunday right now, and they only get 4 trains a day here, so probably not the wisest idea. This bridge right here has got a really great view of the station from above. Damn. You know, regular trains and all can be cool, but, you know, railways like this, they're just special in their own way. Okay, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get back on the train now. Okie dokie, and back to our seats. And we're off again. Back the other way. I still can't get over the views this line has. It's so brilliant. You can see down here where the track used to run. Very cool.
So on the way back, we're going to be getting out of Minfos instead, because we have a train to catch to our next destination, which will be fun. Like, we have like 15 minutes changeover, so I really hope this train isn't delayed.
There goes Penryn just now, so it's one stop left to Minforth. So here we are, Minforth. Brilliant. So there we have it, a ride along the Ffestiniog Railway. Did you enjoy yourself?
Very much.
Me too, that was great. I should do more heritage lines in the future.
Very expensive though, but...
Yeah, but at least you get some good scenery, you know?
True, true.
Of course.
You get good scenery on National Rail though.
That's true. Depends. Oh well, whatever. Worth the money for me anyway though. So, thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more, subscribe, like, comment, you know, cool. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Bye. And of course, a huge shout out to all my patrons and channel members who are listed on screen now. And a warm welcome to my new Standard Premium member, David Curtis. Thank you all very much. A high-level platform. And a low-level platform. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?